Yes. So here in our box today we are going to unpack sorry, the TV. Yes, hello my people, welcome to my video. Thank you for joining, thank you for watching, and thanks for subscribing and always liking my videos. I know, of course, not everybody likes any videos that you make. There are people who love, there are people who don't, but there's nothing to do, you know. We are made differently in this world. So here I ordered this an item from a reflector from Temu, and it has taken me like 7 days. I've been waiting for it, and now here it comes. So I want to open this with you together, because this is how we get chances to know yeah. So we are here unboxing. Yeah. Let's see what is inside here. See? We are done with that. Yes. You know, being a YouTuber, we need things that we need to improve our industry. You see people producing nice videos. See, these are rods. Wow. My first time to see this. They have bolts attached here. Yeah. Yeah. Here is our U-shaped reflector. You can see this reflector is good for video and photography. The people who do videos, people do photography, this is the best. It really gives a very good reflection to the face. And remember, this U-shaped reflector comes with 3 faces. You can see this is white. You can also change this white into golden. So there are 3. This is silver here. Then if you want this to reflect to your client or the person you are taking a picture, you can either decide to use this, you can change it to be golden. So you can definitely just take this, rip it off like this, and then you twist, you change it. You now bring this side here. You see that? You stick it like this. You get the gold reflection side. Then you can now take the pictures for your friend, take a video, main clips, short clips, the footage, all that you like. So this is the advantage of this U-shaped reflector. But this is good because it really gives a very nice appearance on your client or your person you're taking a picture, or a person you're shooting a video. But the only thing I see, the problem I see with this is that it is too huge. It is so huge. It's not good for people who travel from place to place to do the shooting. This is required to be in the studio. At least if you kept this in a studio whereby people visit you, take pictures and go away, that is really very fine. But it is too big, as you see, like this. And even it takes time to assemble. It's very difficult to, unless you have a van. Otherwise, if it is that you have to dismantle it, then rearrange or put it right, rebuild it where you go, it's gonna be taking a lot of time for the shooter, because you have to arrange, you have to set this thing. It takes you like 10 to 15 minutes for it to get into this level. Okay, so it's really a very good one if it is you have a studio or you have